Hello again, everyone. Welcome to another eBay box break. This is for the 2012-2013 Rookie Anthology box break number 5. Here's the last game up for auction. There's Edmonton. So in the box is NE. It's right behind the Panini thing. 190611330. That's NE 190611330. So let's get on with the break. So best of luck, everybody. And just so you know, I'm going to show the base cards. I'm just not going to say base for every single card. So best of luck. Pack 1. We have a great outdoors hit for the Capitals of Alex Ovechkin. It's number 444 out of 500. And we have a nice hit here. It's a rookie silhouette patch autograph card. 60 out of 99 of Robert Mayer for the Canadiens. So nice start. And we have Elite Rookies of Max Sauve for the Bruins, 27 out of 999. It's an all base pack. We have a Cup Contenders card for the Senators of Milan Mahalik, 105 out of 999. We have a Game Worn Gear jersey card for the Penguins of Sidney Crosby. Nice hit for Pittsburgh. Another thick pack here. We have a Rookie Treasures hit for the Red Wings of Riley Sheehan, 241 out of 499. Our Contenders hit Jonathan Toews for the Blackhawks, 190 out of 999. We have a Game Worn Gear jersey card for the Rangers of Dan Girardi. And we have an Elite Rookies for the Flames of Sven Barchi, 155 out of 999. We have a Royal Lineage hit for the Leafs of Curtis Joseph, Felix Potvin, and UC Rhinus. Nice triple jersey card for the Leafs. And we have a Contenders Legacy hit for the Blackhawks of Stan Mikita, 272 out of 999. And we have a Prism Pack base of Mike Smith. And we have a Ruby Parallel of Jonathan Quick for the Kings. And we have a rookie of Philippe Cornet for the Oilers to finish it off. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.